resolution. And Commander end state is NATO-led mission to prevent all violations between Orange Land and Yellow Land, to eliminate insurgent groups in the western part of Yellow Land, Krivok area, and to maintain the secure atmosphere during the elections. The weapon was found in the vehicle, so the reaction of the cadets is as follows. We had a wonderful training at the